Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details of products that can take your beauty and self-care routine to the next level. Today we're talking about something that's a must-have for anyone looking to up their oral care game. Introducing the Waterpik Cordless Pulse Rechargeable Portable Water Flosser, paired with Fresh Mint Whitening Refill Tablets. If you're someone who struggles with flossing, or you're looking to take your oral hygiene to new heights, keep watching as we break this down. Now, I know we've all heard about water flossers before, but how does this one stand out? Let's get into it. First, the Waterpik Cordless Pulse is designed to be incredibly easy to use. It comes with a rechargeable battery and a couple of Waterpik classic jet tips for everyday use. You can even use it in the shower, making it super convenient for those busy mornings when you don't have time to sit at the sink. What's nice here is the ergonomic design with a non-slip grip, which makes it super comfortable to hold and maneuver around your teeth and gums. No more struggling with a traditional floss string, trying to get in between those hard-to-reach spots. Plus, the quiet flossing technology means you won't wake up the whole house during your morning routine. On the functionality side, the Waterpik Cordless Pulse has two settings, low and high. The low setting is gentle, perfect for those with sensitive gums or anyone just starting to use a water flosser. The high setting, on the other hand, is powerful enough to remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth, leaving your mouth feeling thoroughly clean. The 6-Utz removable reservoir is a handy feature, providing up to 45 seconds of flossing time before you need to refill it. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. Now, we can't forget about the Fresh Mint Whitening Refill Tablets. These are the perfect complement to the Waterpik Flosser. They're designed to help remove stains that might be lingering between your teeth and along the gum line. The minty fresh taste leaves your mouth feeling clean and refreshed, and they're formulated to be used daily, so consistency is easy to maintain. Let's talk performance for a second. After incorporating this into my daily routine, I found that it really helps to give my gums that gentle massage while ensuring I'm getting all the hidden debris between my teeth. It feels like I'm giving my teeth that extra level of care, beyond what a regular toothbrush or string floss can do. The water pressure is adjustable, so it can fit different needs, whether you're using it for a deep clean or a quick freshen up. Now, like any product, it's not all perfect. The size of the water reservoir could be a bit larger for those who want a longer flossing time without needing to refill mid-session. However, for the average user, it's a manageable feature. Also, the price might be a little higher than your typical string floss, but considering the benefits, I think it's a worthy investment for better dental hygiene. And if you're someone who already invests in quality toothbrushes or whitening products, this could easily be the next step to complete your routine. When comparing this to other products in the same category, Waterpik stands out due to its ADA seal of acceptance, which speaks volumes in terms of credibility. Many other water flossers might claim similar results, but Waterpik's reputation is hard to beat. In terms of build quality, this flosser is solid. It feels durable, and the waterproof feature makes it safe for shower use. It's easy to recharge, and the USB charger is handy though. Keep in mind that the wall adapter isn't included. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't had to interact with them directly, but Waterpik has a solid reputation for handling any inquiries or concerns. Their products are backed by good customer service, so you're likely to have a positive experience if you need assistance. If you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, there are other options like the Philips Sonicare Air Floss, or even simpler models from Panasonic, which can offer similar results for a lower price. However, Waterpik's performance, especially with its whitening tablets, is unique in the market, making it a great pick for those who want to make their oral hygiene routine more effective. So to wrap it up, does the Waterpik Cordless Pulse live up to the hype? Absolutely. It's a game changer for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use water flosser that works seamlessly into a busy lifestyle. If you struggle with traditional flossing or just want to take better care of your gums and teeth, this could be exactly what you need. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.